1 year ago, online dating company Zoosk was really right there. It was on the brink of a major IPO. That is until mid-December, when the company quickly and attempted to quietly withdraw its efforts and put a red light on its IPO dreams. It just cut it off. So is Love Online thriving again? Joining me now, Zoosk's new CEO. We introduced you Kelly Steckelberg. Kelly, you've been with the company for a couple of years, and suddenly the two co-founders stepped down. That's not so unusual to me, because a lot of times the co-founders aren't exactly the grown-ups in the world. Now you're running it. Let me start with the easy question. Maybe it's easy for me, but hard for you. Will there be an IPO of Zoosk this year?
Hi, Liz. Thanks for having me.
Sure.
So, as you said, we did decide to delay our IPO in 2014. And as you're very well aware, the market sentiment really switched during the year from focusing on rewarding growth to rewarding profitability towards the back half of the year when we were ready to complete our process. And as we were still in a loss-making position, we decided it wasn't really the optimal time to complete our process. So in 2015, we're really focusing on building a sustainable, profitable business. And, you know, when you're a profitable business, what comes with that is choices. So we're open to opportunities ahead of us, which may or may not include an IPO.
Okay. All right. That's a maybe. You're number 2 behind Match.com, which is owned by Barry Diller's IAC. You have 33 million members. A lot of businesses would absolutely love to have 1 million customers. You've got 33 million members. More importantly to me, Kelly, because I like to see who's making money, especially with apps, you guys, 200 million in 2014 in revenues. That's great. But you've got Match, you've got Tinder, OkCupid, you've got The League. Why pick Zoosk if I'm looking for a date?
So that's right. Zoosk has really had a tremendous year in 2014 with over 200 million of revenue. We have 33 million members around the world. Mm-hmm. And what really differentiates Zoosk is our technology. We have a great recommendation engine for online dating. Think like Pandora for online dating. And what this does is it allows our members to quickly get started on Zoosk and get personalized results without filling out those lengthy questionnaires, which often can be inaccurate and are static.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Our site learns as you're interacting with it and learns your preferences and responds to those, providing you the best possible search results.
And now you're going into wearables. You're with the Android. Will you be on the Apple iWatch?
Well, yeah, so we're super excited to announce we released our app on the Android wearable last week, and certainly we'll be watching closely to see how the Apple devices are doing.
Marcus Persson is the guy who invented Minecraft. And I was reading an article about him in Forbes, and he said that he tried out Tinder because he's a techno geek and he was having trouble with dates. He tried out Tinder and he said, I tried to use Tinder, didn't work. In Sweden, it's horrible. There's only like 4 people on it. Now, let's get to you guys. You guys are in 80 countries, including Scandinavia.
Right.
If he's watching, convince Marcus, who is now a billionaire, so he's very qualified maybe as a date. I don't know how he is, if he pays the check, but to go on Zoosk instead.
Yeah, so what's interesting about online dating is it's really become mainstream today, and it's really easy to build an app. What's difficult is to build scale, and that's where Zoosk has been amazingly successful. As you said, we have 33 million members, and half of those are outside the U.S. We're really strong in Scandinavian countries. And so what's great about our platform is because of its dynamic nature, it responds well to different cultures, and it's just a great app for anyone to use around the world.
Yes, we know cultures are different when it comes to love. Kelly, good to see you.
Right.
We'd love to come out and visit
Liz.
you in Silicon Valley and San Francisco. It's great stuff. Kelly Steckelberg is the Zoosk CEO. Good luck to you. Closing